Hello friends, good morning to everyone. This is Prakash and once again welcome to my another video friends. And I had been thinking for a long time that I should make a video about storytelling because I have been asked so many times to make a video about storytelling, and storytelling is playing a imperative role in our day-to-day life in order to hone our fluency. Fluency is very important. If you really want to improve your fluency, then you have to inculcate different kinds of story in order to improve your fluency. Because you know that if you have good command over fluency and you are speaking very fluently, then with whom you are having conversation, he or she will think about that you are a good communicator and you have a good flow about spoken English. Okay, so you have to inculcate different kinds of storytelling, whatever you like, but you know that you have to set a timer that in within 5 minutes or within 3 minutes I have to complete my story, and irrespective of making any kinds of mistake, just you have to speak only drastically. Okay, because if you want to improve your fluency, then you have to speak only. Okay, it doesn't matter that you are making any kinds of mistake or not. And these days different kinds of story are available as per your wish, so you have to pick out any kinds of source story and you have to inculcate in your day-to-day life in order to improve your spoken English. And one thing also I would like to tell you that you have to listen different kinds of English story as well as different kinds of English news and English related videos only, because if you will listen more and more, then all the contents will be stored in your mind and it will be easy for you to express your thought. Because if you will not listen more and if you will not store the English sentences in your mind, then how it will be possible to deliver? So first of all, listen more and more friends. I have already made so many videos about how you can improve your communication skills and how you will speak English. Okay, so first of all, listen more and more. And next thing is that you have to negotiate with lots of friends, my dear friends. If you will negotiate with lots of friends, then you will grab the sentences whatever being used by them, and also you will learn from them that which kind of sentence they are using, which kind of words they are using. So you will learn from them, also they will learn from you whatever knowledge you have. So just you have to communicate each and every single day. If you don't have friend, then don't worry about that. Just use different kinds of application which are free of cost, which are available on Play Store. And also there are different kinds of application we do have. Just you will join and you will speak only in English. It doesn't matter that friends you are making mistake or not, just you have to speak only. And also writing part is very important. If you will write something, if you are writing any story, if you are writing any paragraph, then it will helpful for your grammar person and it will increase your thinking power. So writing is very important. And just you have to communicate, and if you are a beginner, then you have to watch only storytelling, and if you are intermediate, then you have to go through different kinds of vocabulary, idioms, phrases, and lots of things we have to learn. So don't think about that we are not able to speak English. We all are speaking good English, and whatever the level you have, just you have to speak only. One day and other will come that you will find out your English will be improved. So don't worry about English, it will be take lots of time, so don't worry about that. And we are not familiar, like I said, and just you have to practice only. And other thing other than that, you have to communicate with new topics, because topic is very important. And I have observed that in my conversation, most of the people, they do have only one problem. They tell me that we don't have any kinds of topics, so how it will be possible to speak randomly continuously, because they don't have topic. So how you can talk with any person continuously? Just you have to pick out any kinds of talking topic, my dear friends. Just you don't you have fallacious thought that we don't have topics are very important for your communication skills, spoken English. And we do have lots of topic. Just you will google it, okay, and you will find out a simple topic as per your wish, and just you have to inculcate in your day-to-day conversation, because topic is playing a vital role in our day-to-day conversation. If you will speak more, then you will learn more, and if you will speak with the help of topic, then your thinking power will be improved, and you will find out in which person you are facing problem. Because if I will give you any topic, then you will not be able to express your thought. Okay, so topic is very very important. If you are intermediate level students, then definitely you will inculcate different kinds of topic, then it will be helpful for you. And also I do have observed that I have observed that one thing, who are beginner, they are practicing English, but after that they are thinking about that I should grab different kinds of phrases and different kinds of that words. I mean to say that vocabularies. They are willing to use different kinds of hard vocabularies, but the thing is not like that. Just you have to practice your English only. Okay, you are using simple English, it is okay for you. Don't go through hard vocabularies and sentence structure. If you are using simple sentence, then it is okay. With whom you are having conversation, he or she can understand your English. It doesn't matter that you are using simple English or like advanced English. Just if you are using simple English, then it will be okay. Don't worry about that I should go through advanced English. Okay, like also you have come across that most of the professional English teacher, they are using simple English. If they want, then they would have used like advanced English, but they are not using, because simple English is also very very good to everyone. So use simple English. Okay, if you are capable to use vocabularies and sentence structure, then you can go, but don't run after vocabulary and hard structure, English structure. Just you have to speak only simple English. And like I said, if you have good command over advanced sentence structure, then you can use it, but simple English is best English. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for being with me. I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and I will come back with another video. Till then, bye friends, and keep learning this language. Till then, bye and have fun.